uniform and in your plate?
Uniform.
Oh, okay. Ah, zinakipungua hicho kipungua hapo.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to open up the bow to people.
Yeah, of course.
We're
going to get the whales on that side of the boat.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
They'll be on that
For a
side.
little bit
Alright.
and keep watching. And we need to just get another visual on them and hopefully we can do a little bit with them, get them up on the surface and things like that for you. And, so Jay is actually opening up that bow to anybody that wants to go down there. And we're going to use the clock system today as well, ladies and gentlemen, when we're pointing out directional findings to you. The clock system works really, really well, folks. Directly in front of us will be 12 o'clock. Directly behind us will be 6 o'clock. Over on your right-hand side, 3 o'clock. Left-hand side, 9 o'clock. So we're going to call things out to you, ladies and gentlemen. It could be 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or 11 o'clock. That way everybody knows where to look. So it works really, really well, folks. If you see something at all, ladies and gentlemen, don't yell out, over there! Over there! Nobody knows where over there is. So use the clock system, and that way we all know where to look, ladies and gentlemen. So just at the moment, folks, we just need to get another visual. I'd be looking somewhere around 2 o'clock, around to sort of about 12 o'clock, around here a little bit now. We shouldn't be too far away. I think there may have been a couple of whales just here. And things sometimes just start off a little bit slow, folks. Humpback whales and whales that we'll be looking at.